Hello and welcome to Mavorgs. Step 1. You should see I'm on mobile right now. Oh, manage. Here we go. Alright. I'm going to click Campus Cat Coalition. Wow, look at us. Alright. To create an event, just go ahead and click an event. Alright. Now we are creating a new event. So we scroll down, we can see all of our past ones. We could even see our analytics, our SVPs, average attendance. This is pretty good. So let's go. We are creating a new event. Okay. So basic event details. Oop, not that one. Well, we could just say member meeting 1. You could do that. But because this event will be reoccurring, you don't want to add the numbers. So let's say, I'll just do my usual. Welcome, cool cats and kittens. Member meeting. There we go. Our theme, since it's just a meeting, it's just a social. Or is it? Group business. It's social and it's a service. So let's just say social. Alright, so here, you'll put whatever description you want, like welcome. Oops. Cool cats and kittens to our regularly scheduled program, to our membership meetings. We are the Campus Cat Co. Blah 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 blah. Mission. Blah 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 blah. Date, time, location. Blah blah blah. Agenda. Normally we have a prize bucket. I need to ask officers where the prize bucket is. Bring a friend. Stuff like this. Whatever. You could also attach a YouTube video or something. We don't usually do that. We're not co-hosting. Time and place. Okay, this one's really important. So we're going to pick, February 4th. Our start time, I believe you said, was 4 o'clock. End time, 5 o'clock. Great. Location. Now, this one's tricky because we have to ask for location services. Location name to be determined. Address to be determined. Save. For right now. Because we don't have our place set up yet. You can add another date. So what is 4 plus 7? Oh god, math. Okay. 11. So February. Shit, go back. February. Oh, it's done by weeks. That's lovely. February 11th. Okay. And also February 11th. Same time, same date. The location will change each time. And you can add as many recurring dates as possible. Mavorgs likes this a lot. Event visibility, we always do to the public. Meeting category. So we can say meeting. We could say educational, a bunch of different things. When we're doing like a work night, we'll do service and philanthropy. We'll choose a meeting. What else do we have? We have a little social. And it's not a fundraiser, so yeah, that's about it. I'll click. It's not really a lecture or seminar. Sure. Evening night. Perks. If we have our prize bucket, we can do free stuff. Okay, we'll click next. Alright, here's a waitlist time. You can ask for people to RSVP. We don't really limit the number of spots. It kind of depends on the amount of room we have. And that's dependent on which classroom we get. You can ask them questions like, let's add a question. Yeah, single line, add a question. How many people are coming? Okay. Awesome. This question is required. Alright, and you can keep going. You can customize this however you want. Post event feedback. I don't do event feedback. I just personally don't. Okay, so I skip this one. Now, you get to design a cover photo in Canva. You can choose whatever you want. Let me just choose from my files. Ah, beautiful. Now they're picky. See? See how terrible it looks? Crop image. See, this looks awful, so we'll definitely have to change it. Now, your phone number. You can, normally it's my phone number, but you can change it to yours. Doesn't really matter. Submission type. We are student org. Submission occurrence. This is a brand new request. Okay, next. I did not put anything in here. Give me a minute. Yeah, they're very picky about this. Okay, term. You know what term this is. Blah, blah, blah. This is on campus. Access time. So because we're asking for a room, if the event starts at 4 p.m., we need to set up by 3:30 or 3:45 p.m. Okay. End access time. If our event ends at 5 p.m., then our end access time will be 5:30 p.m. Kind of just depends. Attendance. On average, that's our attendance rate. Rarely will we ever reach about 30 people, but we want to overestimate for the first one because the first one is the most popular event. People who are not UT students. Yes, it's possible that we can have guests. We usually only say maybe 5 or less. You can say no. Alternative date. This event is flexible. And you'll put in the different dates. So we want February 4th, but we could do February 10th or 11th ECT. So you'll list the exact dates that we're willing to change it to. Is this a fundraiser? Technically, everything we do is a fundraiser. And so for right here, you'll put campus cat. Okay, because we are the fundraiser. Food services. No food or beverage will be served. They're very picky about this. Sometimes we'll have prepared baked goods or candy, but probably not. Food services. Everything we do will be packaged or store-bought. We will not be serving any alcohol. Okay. Additional info. What do you mean? Oh, yeah, it's really picky about this. You can't put the PM in there. It's just dumb. Okay. Alright. Food waiver required. I understand. We don't really use outside food waivers because we're not like ordering pizza or anything. And even if we were, I'm not going to report that. Types of facility or venue would you like to use? Alright. We normally use academic classroom. Okay. Or, let's see, what's the other one? Student center. Okay. And you can click on these. Open new tab group. Alright. And this will bring you up to exactly what we're looking at. Should be events. Where is it? Plan your event. fighting each other. Anyways, let's say go to the UC. Meeting rooms. There we go. And it should, here we go, perfect. So you can look through these and each one will tell you exactly how much space is available. Normally we use a Frio, it holds about 22 people. That's usually a good amount. Sometimes we will use Concho. Concho's pretty good. The different theater, conference, banquet, all that, this is the way the chairs are being set up. Okay, normally we choose classroom or like conference. Doesn't really matter. But the number of chairs it holds matters. Okay, so I think we did Guadalupe one time, or Nanchas. Yeah, see, but Nanchas is very small. Classroom size is only 12. So this would be like an officer meeting. But Concha would be like a club meeting because it can hold a pretty good amount. Anyways, you can go through that and choose the right one. Because here, we usually will choose... See, if we do academic classroom, it would be like an actual classroom. So commonly, we choose student center or commons. We have no guest speaker, and we will not politically demonstrate. Okay. Warning, COVID-19 events. Yeah, we get it. It's basically saying get a bigger room so people can space out. Okay. Now, additional event information. If this event will occur indoors, skip this section, okay? So, we would only fill this section out for when we are tabling or doing an outdoor fundraiser, like the bake sale. Alright, indoor events. We're not doing an info booth. You can click here also to see like different room sizes. Room request. We like Frio. What's the other one? Concho? Or any room holding... Oh, that's not the right word. Holding 20 to 30 people. Yeah, that's good. Expected attendance. We'll just say 30 for right now. We don't really need any of these items. Let's see. So when you click on it, it gives you, like, you know, the specialty packages. We do have to pay for these, or they'll at least give us like 50% off discount. Yeah. Room setup. And here we usually click classroom. Okay. Or if we're doing a specialty case, we'll click other. Like I've requested for no chairs before. Oops. Okay. And then you agree that everything is up to date. I don't know what happens when I flex next. Okay. So upon submission, our advisor, Ms. Erica, will receive this and she will approve or deny it. And then Mavorgs will get the thing. They'll check all of our statuses, approve or deny, and then you have to click that button. Okay, I think that's it. Now, approval of the registration is not a confirmation of room space because that's very different. And I believe you just press next and that's about it. But I'm going to cancel this because I do not. This was all garbage. I don't want this to be real. Alright, and so whenever your thing is done, our events will show up on the calendar here, and we can look them up. Close. Oh, hit the search button. Search. Okay, show past events. There we go. So every time you press cat, all of the Cat Club stuff will come up. See? Easy peasy. So since this like event was the exact same photo and stuff, we just said reoccurred multiple times, has the exact same photo. If you want a specialty one, you'll have to change it. Alright. And there you go. That's how you work Mavorgs.